we go. Right, well, back in the 30s, 40s, 50s, unlike today, most motorists would often spend the weekends tinkering with their car, even if it was a comparatively new one, and no home workshop was complete without a nice oil can. Now, this is a particularly well preserved Braime of Leeds oil can, proudly announcing it's made in England, and rightly so. And again, the cap, the original cap, has Braime of Leeds on it as well, and yeah, every workshop would have had at least one oil can around to sort of lubricate door hinges, all those kind of things, throttle linkages, carburetor linkages, back from the days when cars needed a lot more work than they do now, and you were able to work on them. This, I mean, the paintwork has survived on this great, and I keep it in here just to keep it in sort of out of harm's way. It's a very nice example of the breed, and well, I could quite easily get into collecting old oil cans, but I'll try not to.